Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use this course and gain the maximum benefits from our teachings and how this course is structured. Now we understand that our course is absolutely massive, it's very big and comprehensive, and sometimes that can be overwhelming. So in this video I'm going to break it down a little bit for you so that you can understand really our thinking as creators of this course and how you can really use that to your advantage. So what did we do with our course? We took the beginner to advanced approach. What that means is in the beginning of our course, you're going to learn the fundamentals of becoming a professional web developer. You're going to learn how to start coding right away. And then we start teaching you through example. We use HTML and CSS to really use the fundamentals of becoming a professional web developer and showing you exactly how to get started. I think it's really important to learn through doing, and Shahzeeb and I get you right away learning and doing and following along with us in this course. However, we want you to know that you can take this course however you want to take it. You do not have to follow the course from top to bottom. You can follow it however you want to. If you want to take just one section on, let's say, WordPress, well, then you can scroll down and you can find the WordPress section and just take the WordPress section. And there it is. Here's the whole section on WordPress. Now, in our course, have we been able to cover every single thing that a web developer could ever learn? Well, no. That would be incredible, and things are always changing. What we have done is given you an incredible framework to learn about the front end as well as the back end and what it's going to take to really be a professional web developer. Also, Udemy is going to ask you for a review after the first few videos or maybe the first section or two. We really appreciate your positive reviews. This dramatically affects the course. It gets more students to come in and join us and more students to potentially learn from us. Also, it's a great way for you to say thank you if you've really enjoyed the course up to that point. Now, again, you may have to get through a few more sections, but Udemy is trying to gather as much feedback from the initial part of the course as possible as well. And you can skip the review and always come back to it, but we also really appreciate your positive reviews. If you have any questions at any time, please message Shahzeeb Kamal personally, since he is the one with the technical background and he will best be able to serve you. You may also message me if you need to, but I will most likely just relay the message back to him and he'll be able to help you out as well. Thanks again so much for enrolling in our course, and we can't wait to get started. I'll see you in our next video.